Understanding knockout rounds in competitions. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating term used in various competitions: knockout rounds. This phrase is commonly heard in sports and talent shows. But what does it actually mean? Let's find out together. Knockout rounds refer to a stage in a competition where contestants or teams face off against each other, and the loser is immediately eliminated from the competition. Unlike earlier rounds where participants might have multiple chances, in knockout rounds, it's all about that one critical moment or match. It's like a sudden death scenario: win to stay in, lose to go home. The term knockout originally comes from boxing, where a boxer wins by knocking out their opponent, rendering them unable to continue the fight. This idea of decisive, immediate victory or defeat carried over into other competitive arenas, emphasizing the high stakes and finality of these rounds. 1. Sports. In the FIFA World Cup, after the initial group stages, teams enter the knockout rounds. Each match decides who progresses and who gets eliminated. 2. Talent shows. Shows like The Voice have knockout rounds where contestants sing head-to-head, and judges decide who continues and who leaves. 3. Educational competitions. In spelling bees or debate tournaments, participants face off in knockout rounds to determine the ultimate winner. Success in knockout rounds requires different strategies. Participants often adopt a more aggressive, high-risk approach since there's no room for error. It's essential to prepare thoroughly and bring your A game, as there's no second chance. Knockout rounds are thrilling both for participants and audiences. They bring a sense of urgency and drama, as each competitor gives their best to avoid elimination. This format often leads to memorable, high-stakes moments in sports and entertainment. I hope this video has helped you understand what knockout rounds mean and why they are an integral part of many competitions. They add excitement and intensity, making the contests unpredictable and thrilling. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.